In this video, pag-uusapan natin yung win rate. Kasi pag pumunta ka ng YouTube, ang dami nyong makikita dyan na 90% win rate, 75% win rate. Okay? So, sobrang komplikado ng trading strategy. Okay? So, ang mangyayari sa inyo, aaralin nyo lahat ng matataas na win rate na strategy, tapos wala kayong maaaral na strategy kasi hindi kayo nagpo-focus sa isang strategy. Okay? Now, ganito kasi yan. Kapag may strategy ka, i-backtest mo, okay, ng buwan, okay, or ng taon. Kaya may forex replay na ngayon. Now, kailangan mo ba talaga ng mataas na win rate para maging profitable? Hindi. So, based on this chart, pwede kang maging profitable kahit 20% yung risk mo. Okay? 20% yung win rate mo. Basta ang trade mo lagi, okay, is you risk 1 to take 5, which is medyo mahirap na RR ito, okay, or risk to reward kasi nga ganito yan. Kung 20% yung win rate mo, kailangan ganito yung maging RR mo. Okay, so makikita nyo dito, ito yung risk natin. Okay, yan. 1:5. Makikita nyo dito, 5. So, makita natin siya 5. Yan. So, 5. 5 nga, yung ratio is 5. So, ibig sabihin, pag nag-trade ka ng $1, i-risk mo yung $1. Pag nag-take profit ka, itong blue na to, dapat $5 yung makuha mo. Okay? So, dapat consistent na, pag gusto mo na consistent na 1:5 yung mga TP mo, or sa strategy mo, kaya mo yung 1:5, okay? Kahit 20% lang yung win rate mo, at the end of the day, you will become a profitable trader. Okay? Now, kung masyadong malaki yung 1:5, okay, you can have 1:4. You can have 1:4. Okay? Tignan natin yung 1:4. Yan, sabihin na 1:4 yan. Pag 1:4 yung trading mo, all you need is 30% win rate. Consistent. That minimum mo na trade is 1:4. Okay? So, ganyan. You lose 1 and take $4. Ganun siya. And for me, ito yung pinaka maganda sa lahat kasi sobrang dali lang matarget nito pagdating sa RR. Yung 1:3. 1:3. Okay? 1:3. So, you lose $1 to gain $3. Okay? Ilang win rate lang kailangan mo? Okay lang, 30. Diba? Okay lang, 40. You will become profitable trader. Okay? You can pass your prop firm. Now, pag 40% win rate ka naman, 40% yung win rate mo, okay? Okay lang kahit ganito lang target mo. 1:2. Okay? Risk $1 to take $2. Okay? You risk $100, gain $200. Ganun lang yan. 1:2. So, risk ka ng 500. Okay? Gain ka ng 1,000. Diba? Not bad. Gets? So, hindi nyo kailangan lagi ng mataas na win rate. Hindi nyo kailangan lagi ng mataas na RR. Okay? Mataas na RR. Ang problem pag mataas yung RR nyo, okay, is minsan hindi na maaabot yung TP ninyo. May mga instances na hindi na maabot yung TP nyo. Minsan, sa gusto nyo mataas yung risk to reward ninyo, you are setting unrealistic risk to reward ratio. Diba? Darating din naman yung mga ganyang RR eh. With the right market structure, right opportunity, darating naman yung mga high RR. So, huwag nyo madaliin. Okay lang. Mag-minimum ka 1:2, 1:3. 1:2, 1:3. Kasi dadating din yung point na magbibigay yung market ng 1:5, 1:6, 1:7. Don't rush. All you need is to have a minimum of 1:2, diba? Backtest mo yung strategy mo, 40% win rate, you're good. Focus ka, 1:2. 1:2. Pag nagbigay yung market ng 1:2 point something, then good. 1:3, then good. Diba? Basta nga ang minimum mo 1:2. So ito yung pinakamagandang win rate, around 30 to 40. Then risk to reward na 1:2 and 1:3. Okay? Para mabilis lang, all you need is to be consistent. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Wala kayong makita na result in 1 week. Siguro in a month, makikita nyo yung result. Okay? May darating ka sa point, mani-negative ka, pero in a month, siguro, di ba? Consistent trading every day. Looking for setup every day with your strategy. Makikita nyo magpe-pay off yan. Kasi ako, everyday, tinitignan ko yung charts. Kasi intraday ako eh. Intraday ako mag-trade. So, sana may natutunan kayo. You don't need high win rate. Okay? Hindi nyo kailangan ng mataas na RR. All you need is, you can have 1:3 or 1:2. Then, win rate lang na 30 to 40%. Then, you're good. Okay? Ibig sabihin nun, mas madaming talo, pero profitable ka pa rin. So, yun lang. Magandang araw sa inyong lahat. Peace out.